Have you ever wondered why, despite all the secrets and shortcuts advertised out there, not everyone is flashing billionaire lifestyles? That's because, while the idea of getting rich overnight is tempting, the reality of wealth is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Today, we're diving into the fastest ways to get rich, but we're not just talking quick cash. We're exploring sustainable paths to financial freedom. In this video, I'll break down the true meaning of wealth, share powerful mindsets and habits, reveal high-earning opportunities, and explain smart financial strategies that can accelerate your wealth journey. We'll also learn from the successes and failures of those who've tried to fast-track their wealth. Stick with us till the end, and you'll not only understand the common myths about quick riches, but also grasp practical, actionable strategies that can put you on the fast track to real, lasting wealth. Let's get started. When we talk about getting rich, it's crucial to differentiate between fast cash and sustainable wealth. Think of fast cash as a sprinter, quick out of the gate, impressive in the short run, but not built for the long haul. On the other hand, sustainable wealth is like a marathon runner, not necessarily flashy at the start, but with endurance, strategy, and consistency, finishing strong with lasting riches. Fast cash. This is often the money you earn from one-time deals or short-term endeavors. Imagine finding a rare item at a garage sale and flipping it on eBay for a hefty profit. While thrilling and instantly gratifying, these opportunities don't guarantee a continuous flow of income. They are unpredictable and reliant on external factors that are often out of your control. Sustainable wealth. This form of wealth is built over time and is much more about growing and nurturing your assets. It's akin to planting a tree. Initially, the growth is slow and the benefits seem nominal. However, with proper care and patience, that tree will grow strong and possibly provide shade and fruit for many years. In financial terms, this could be through investments, real estate holdings, or a well-diversified portfolio that pays dividends, interests, and rents, creating a steady income stream over time. Moreover, sustainable wealth involves understanding the power of compound interest, where your money earns money, and then that money earns more money. This concept is the backbone of long-term financial growth and is crucial for anyone looking to build lasting wealth. As we explore the paths to wealth, remember that while the allure of quick money can be tempting, the true essence of becoming rich lies in the sustainability of your financial strategies. By focusing on building a foundation that supports ongoing income, you are setting up a financial future that is not only prosperous but also resilient. Mindset and habits. Building sustainable wealth is as much about your mindset as it is about your financial actions. A growth mindset, one that embraces challenges and views failures as opportunities to learn, is vital. Those who succeed in accumulating wealth don't see setbacks as roadblocks but as stepping stones. This mentality encourages continual learning and adaptation, which are crucial for financial success. Set clear goals. Wealth builders start with clear, actionable goals. Whether it's retiring by 50 or owning multiple real estate properties, having a specific target in mind helps guide your financial decisions. For instance, Sarah, a self-made millionaire, began by setting small, achievable financial milestones that eventually led to larger, more ambitious ones. Each goal reached was a motivation boost, propelling her further. Budget wisely. Budgeting is not about restricting spending, but about understanding it. Effective budgeting allows you to see where your money goes and find ways to optimize it. Tools like budgeting apps can automate this process, making it easier to stick to your financial plan. Think of budgeting as creating a map for your money. Every dollar is assigned a purpose, reducing wasteful spending and enhancing your savings rate. Invest continuously. The habit of making regular investments can dramatically compound your wealth over time. Consider the story of Bob, who started investing just $200 a month in his 20s in a diversified stock portfolio. By the time he retired, he was a multi-millionaire thanks to the power of compound interest and the stock market's growth. Investing shouldn't be a one-off thing, but a consistent habit. Educate yourself. Continuous education in financial matters builds confidence and competence in managing and growing your wealth. Attend workshops, read books, and follow financial news. Understanding economic trends and financial principles will empower you to make informed decisions, Much like Lisa, who grew her small business into a national chain by constantly learning about retail trends and consumer behavior. Incorporating these habits into your daily routine can transform your financial life. It's not just about working harder, but smarter. High-earning opportunities. In the quest for rapid wealth accumulation, understanding where high-earning opportunities lie is crucial. While these opportunities can provide a quick boost to your financial status, they come with varying degrees of risk that must be carefully managed. Tech startups and innovation. The technology sector offers immense opportunities for rapid growth. Investing in startups can yield substantial returns if the company succeeds. Consider the explosive growth of companies like Uber or Airbnb, which turned early investors into millionaires. However, the risk is significant, as many startups fail within the first few years, which means doing thorough research and sometimes taking calculated risks is essential. Real estate flipping. Buying properties, renovating them, and selling them at a higher price can be highly profitable. This strategy works well in markets with rising property values. Success in this area requires a good understanding of real estate markets, renovation costs, and timing. The risk includes unexpected renovation expenses or a downturn in the market, which could see the property selling for less than the purchase price. Stock market trading. High-frequency trading and day trading in the stock market can generate returns faster than traditional investing. However, this requires a deep understanding of market trends, the ability to act quickly, and a tolerance for high risk. Success stories abound, but for every successful trader, there are many who lose significant amounts of money. Cryptocurrencies. The crypto market is known for its volatility, which can lead to high returns for savvy investors. For example, early investors in Bitcoin experienced tremendous gains. However, the market is unpredictable, and regulatory changes or market sentiment can drastically affect values. Entrepreneurship. Creating a business around a unique product or service can lead to substantial wealth. This requires innovation, a robust business model, and effective execution. While the potential for significant profit is high, so is the risk of failure, often due to poor management or market misjudgment. Smart financial strategies. To build wealth efficiently, it's critical to master a few key financial strategies. Compound interest. Albert Einstein reportedly called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world, and for good reason. This principle involves the reinvestment of earnings, which then generate their own earnings. For example, if you invest $10,000 at an annual interest rate of 5%, rather than taking your $500 interest out each year, you leave it in the account to grow. Over 20 years, your investment wouldn't just grow to $20,000, as it would with simple interest. It would grow to over $26,500 due to the interest compounding. The key is starting early and allowing your investments the maximum time to grow. Wise use of credit. Credit, when used wisely, can be a powerful tool. For instance, taking out a mortgage to buy a property that increases in value or using business loans to fund profitable expansion. However, the misuse of credit can lead to overwhelming debt and financial ruin. Therefore, it's crucial to understand terms and interest rates and to use credit strategically, preferably in ways that increase your net worth. Effective tax strategies. Legally minimizing your tax liability can lead to significant savings, which can be reinvested to further grow your wealth. One common strategy is investing in retirement accounts like IRAs or 401ks, which offer tax advantages either at the time of deposit or when funds are withdrawn during retirement. Another strategy is the use of deductions and credits available for education expenses, home mortgage interest, and charitable donations, which reduce taxable income. These tactics will collectively turbocharge your wealth accumulation efforts, paving the way for financial success. Mentorship. The right mentor acts as a guide, helping you to avoid common pitfalls and make informed decisions. For instance, if you're interested in real estate investing, partnering with a seasoned investor as a mentor can teach you practical aspects of the market and investment strategies that are not readily available in books. To find mentors, look towards professional networks, industry conferences, or online platforms like LinkedIn. Engage by asking insightful questions and showing genuine interest in their work. Continuous learning. Education shouldn't stop when you reach a certain level of success. Attending workshops, enrolling in courses related to your business or investment interests, and keeping up with current financial literature are crucial. Resources like Coursera or Udemy offer courses on a wide range of topics, from blockchain technology to advanced stock market analysis. By embracing both mentorship and ongoing education, you not only stay ahead of the curve in financial strategies but also adapt to changes and opportunities in the marketplace. This proactive approach is a key component in the toolkit of every successful wealth builder. While the journey to wealth is exciting, it's fraught with traps that can derail your efforts. A common pitfall is the allure of get-rich-quick schemes. These scams promise significant returns with little risk or effort, often through secretive or complex methods inaccessible to the average investor. Pyramid schemes, Ponzi schemes, and high-yield investment programs frequently fall into this category. They prey on the naive and can lead to substantial financial loss. Another significant risk is the lack of financial literacy. Without a basic understanding of financial principles, people are more susceptible to making poor investment choices, mismanaging debt, and failing to save adequately for the future. It's crucial to educate yourself or seek advice from reputable financial advisors to navigate these waters safely. To safeguard against these risks, always conduct thorough research before committing to any investment. Be skeptical of opportunities that sound too good to be true, and continuously educate yourself about financial markets and instruments. The more knowledgeable you are, the better equipped you'll be to make sound decisions and recognize red flags. Remember, the journey to wealth requires a combination of the right mindset, informed actions, and continuous learning. Start small, think big, and stay committed. Take the first step today towards building your prosperous future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us on social media for more practical financial tips. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building a financially savvy community together.